Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage V3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing basically any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the back button right here to open the menu, then scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, select the general settings option, and here tap on pair and sync. Now scroll down, and at the bottom you should see the option called paired devices. Tap on it, and here you will see the name of the phone that your watch is paired with. Tap on the name of the phone, tap on unpair, and confirm by pressing the middle button. Now we can go to our phone, open the Bluetooth settings on it. In Bluetooth you should see the list of paired devices, and on it you will probably see Polar Vantage V3 and other devices, but we want to remove the Polar Vantage V3, and to do it you can tap on the settings icon next to it, because on the some versions of Android there's gonna be settings icon. On mine there's info icon for some reason. I don't know why it's different, but it is like that. Anyway, so tap on the settings icon or info icon, and here you will see the option called unpair or forget device, one of those. So tap on unpair or forget device, and the watch will disappear from this list. Now we can close the settings. Another thing you can do is to basically open the browser, go to the flow.polar.com, log in into a profile, basically your account, and you can tap on menu, tap on account, tap on products, and here you will have the list of watches connected to your account. And if you want to remove the watch completely from your account, you can tap on X and tap on remove to remove it. And at this point your watch is unpaired from your phone and also removed from your account, so it won't appear in the application anymore. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.